we're pulling from the Book of Tarot, Exploring the Esoteric World of Divination and Tarot Readings. It's a workbook I created last year, and it has all this amazing information, the origins of tarot, different tarot spreads. In the back, it has different areas where you can actually journal and log different tarot readings and track your progress. So today, we're going to look at suit cards and what they actually mean, and court cards and what they actually mean. So let's take a look really quick. And it doesn't matter which, I mean, right now we're looking in the swords, but like what we're actually looking at is, like, for instance, this is 8. And what do 8s represent? 8s represent work and time for change. That's what 8s represent. So overall, as far as like what 8s are, regardless of whether or not it's in swords, cups, pentacles, or wands, 8s overall, they're going to represent a time for work and a time for change. Queens are all about power, potential, and advice. Seek the help of the wiser and more experienced person. So that's what queens represent in all of the different court cards. And then we have knights. Knights are going to represent movement. That's what knights represent. It's all about quick, fast movement. Threes are about communication, interactions, outside influence, messages received and given, celebration, and hard work. So whether it's positive or negative, threes are all about that interaction, those messages being given and received. It's all about that hard work that needs to happen, communication and interactions, what's actually really going on. Fives are about adversity, conflict, loss, and change. Fives are always about conflict. It's because it's change. Fives represent, and like in the life path for like numerology, fives are always about change. Where threes are always about messages being given or received, fives are always about change, that constant change. Things are changing.